I love to use my AEL button, the one top right in your camera, as another focus mode. Go into your menu and set this up.
From the autofocus menu, select focus area. Head on to autofocus area registration and switch that on. Read the prompt that comes up telling you what you've just done. Now, head on to Operations Customize in order to set the AEL button according to the focus mode that you want. Custom key, look for your AEL button on the first page and select Registered Autofocus Area plus AF on for that AEL button. Now, in order to assign the focus mode, select the focus mode that you want to assign to the AEL button. Switch it on. Now all you need to do is hold down the function button. It will say registered the focus area, and once you've done that, you now have that wide focus mode or any other one you selected registered to the AEL button, leaving you free to select another autofocus mode for the AF on button.
But I love the wide tracking mode. For me, it's really effective when I have an animal coming towards me, a solo animal, a solo bird. The camera does all the work for me. The AI in this camera is incredible. By choosing this wide method and by putting it on the AEL button, really cool feature, go and use it.